do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Ayaz Sekiu, being appointed as Minister, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I will solemnly and sincerely promise to hold my office with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counsellor, not to divulge any secret when I entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability.
Finance, public enterprises, public service, trade, and tourism.
Swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Leraseni Jiwanga, being appointed as Minister, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I will solemnly and sincerely promise functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
that I will be true and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I will slowly and sincerely promise to hold my office with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counsellor, not to divulge any secret wealth entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office consistently and to the best of my ability. So help me God.